In this week's edition of the Business Review, we feature an upcoming business that has repositioned to help unlock Jamaica's e-commerce potential. Cody and Barrett has that story.
Helping businesses use e-commerce to service customers anywhere, anytime. That's the aim of Mobile Edge, which is the brainchild of the Get Paid Group. Leighton Campbell is the CEO.
We saw where there was a great opportunity for companies to start doing business with their customers through the mobile phones. As time and technology evolved, we started to realize that mobile and internet has become one type of solution, and also with the increased penetration in internet, there were even more opportunities for not just communication services, but also commercial services to be rendered through digital and mobile devices.
During the pandemic, Mobile Edge saw an influx of businesses desiring to integrate e-commerce in their operations. This prompted the company to put together a suite of services.
Out of the box e-commerce platforms where somebody who wants to sell a product online can get set up with a shopping cart solution integrated with your payment gateways. We have payment systems that we've integrated for financial companies where somebody wants to pay a bill and you allow persons to pay multiple bills, like a bill payment portal. We have also other payment portals that we have set up for government agencies.
However, cybersecurity is a major concern. It's why Get Paid has been working with various payment service providers which have vigorous security systems in place. However,
at the end of the day, no system is foolproof. Security online is dealt with just like security offline. You take the best measures that you can to implement necessary policies in place to prevent cyber attacks, to spot when persons are trying to hack. We also choose partners who come with security bolsters. So for instance, our hosting provider comes with its own security bolsters.
Currently, the Get Paid Group is coming to market in partnership with iCreate Limited, a strategic move. But the idea is to have the business stand alone.
As it is right now, we're launching them together under one entity, but of course we will be building out independent entities as we build out. In our trajectory is definitely the plan to list on the Junior Stock Exchange within the next 3 to 4 years, thereabout.
With the Business Review,